Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix, we can't sign into your account temporary profile issue in Windows 10. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click H-key local machine. Click Software. Click Microsoft. Click Windows NT. Click Current Version. Click Profile List. Oxygen profile is original profile. This is temporary profile. This is original profile. Delete temporary profile. Right-click, rename. Delete only .bot. Close and exit registry. Restart your computer. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.